Have you ever tried logging into an old account, only to realize you can't remember the email, the password, or worse, someone else got there first? You're not alone. In today's hyper-digital world, the average person has over 90 online accounts, from banking and shopping to streaming and social media. And if you're not keeping track of all those logins, recovery emails, or security settings, you're not just disorganized. You're vulnerable. That's why creating an online account inventory isn't just smart, it's essential. Why it matters. We're not talking about becoming a cybersecurity expert. We're talking about regaining control of your digital life. An online account checklist gives you peace of mind, better security, fewer forgotten passwords, and way less stress. You'll know exactly what you've signed up for, where your information lives, and which accounts are worth keeping or shutting down. So, how do you build one? Let's break it down. Building the checklist, categories. Start by organizing your digital life into categories. 1. Financial accounts. That means online banking, credit cards, investment platforms, PayPal, and loan services. For each account record, the service name, website URL, username or login email, email address it's linked to, if two-factor authentication is enabled, and how. In the notes, add recurring payments, linked accounts, or account opening dates if you remember them. But remember, never write your passwords here. Use a password manager for that. 2. Email accounts. These are the keys to your digital kingdom. If someone compromises your email, they can reset passwords for almost everything else. Log each one. Provider like Gmail, Yahoo, etc. The full email address. Any recovery emails or phone numbers. 2FA status and method. In the notes, mention if it's your main account or used for things like newsletters, shopping, or backups. 3. Social media and communication apps. Think Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Telegram, anywhere you're chatting or sharing content. Track, platform name, URL, username or login info, associated email, 2FA setup. Use notes to mark public versus private profiles or if the account links to work or business tools. 4. Online shopping and services. Amazon, eBay, Netflix, food delivery apps, cloud storage, and even software subscriptions. Again, log, service name and URL, login email or username, associated email, 2FA info, notes like saved cards, subscriptions, or delivery addresses. This section can help you find services you're still paying for but not using. 5. Utilities and government portals. Yes, these matter too. That includes your electricity provider, internet/cable company, tax portals, and even DMV logins. Record the basics, account name and website, login credentials, 2FA status, important account numbers in the notes. 6. Other accounts, forums, game platforms, learning sites, and one-off accounts you created for a quick purchase. Add them too. Even these can be risky if compromised, and they're often forgotten. Keeping it updated. Creating your checklist is just step 1. The magic comes from keeping it updated. Set a calendar reminder every 3 to 6 months. Ask yourself, have I opened any new accounts? Closed any old ones? Changed login emails or passwords? Is 2FA still turned on? Your digital life evolves. Your checklist should evolve with it, making it work for you. Your online account checklist should work for you. Use Google Sheets, Excel, a secure note app, or even an encrypted cloud doc. Customize your columns like adding the last password change date or grouping by importance. Make it simple, make it secure, and most importantly, make it accessible when you need it. This isn't just about organization, it's digital self-care. An online account checklist isn't just a list, it's a lifestyle. Every login you track, every password you update, every old account you shut down, brings you closer to a secure, simplified digital life. So, ready to take control? Download your free online account inventory checklist. It's packed with step-by-step guidance. Need help? Request a free consultation with our team at Tylerus. We'll help you assess your digital risks and build a secure foundation. Want to see AI make this easier? Schedule a live demo of our Tylerus AI agents, smart tools that track, monitor, and optimize your account security so you don't have to. Click the link in the description below and start reclaiming your digital identity today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.